Good morning children. Welcome back to online classroom on Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Chaitya, your maths teacher. Today, let us learn how to do combined addition and subtraction. Okay, see children, when a question comes with both addition and subtraction, you can always do addition at first, then subtract. See, here we have one question. See, 8,754 plus 1,244 minus 2,314. Okay, so in this question, you can add the numbers at first, then subtract third number from the sum. Okay, so here we can add 8,754 and 1,244. Clear? Then add 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 2, 9 and 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so we get the sum as 9,998. Then you can subtract third number from the sum 9,998. See, you can subtract these two numbers. Then 8 minus 4, 4, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 3, 6 and 9 minus 2, 7. So, for the question, 8,754 plus 1,244 minus 2,314 is equal to 7,684. Clear? One more example. See the example 1,205 plus 644 minus 22. Okay, first one 4-digit number, second one 3-digit number, third one 2-digit number. So, what we will do at first? Yes, addition. You can add first two numbers at first. Okay. So, add first these two numbers. Okay. Then 5 plus 4, 9, 0 plus 4, 4, 2 plus 6, 8, then bring down 1. So, when we add 1,205 and 644, we will get 1,849. Then, what is our next step? Yes, you can subtract the number from this sum. Okay. So, 1,849 minus 22. Clear? Then first subtract 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? Yes, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then bring down 8. Then bring down 1. So we get the final answer as 1,827. Okay, so for the question 1,205 plus 644 minus 22 is equal to 1,827. Clear? Okay, one more example. See the example 2,756 plus 4,243 minus 260. Okay, so first add these two numbers. See, here 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then you can subtract third number 260 from 6,999. Here 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6. 3. 9 minus 2. 7. Then bring down 6. Clear, children? So, for the question, 2756 plus 4243 minus 260 is equal to 6739. Okay? Then next I explain one word problem. Okay? See the question. Mahesh wrote a story of 1205 words. He added 43 words and removed 326 words. How many words does the story have now? See, in this question, what we have to find out? Yes, how many words does this story have now? To find the number of words in the story, first add 43 to 1205. So, when we add 43 to 1205, we get 1248. Then subtract 326 from 1248. So, subtract 1248 minus 326. Then we get the final answer as 922. Is it clear? Okay, children. See, now I believe you all have understood how to do combined addition and subtraction. Please do more problems from your home. Okay, then see you again with another topic. Till then, take care. Bye.